Alright, these are Star Wars little vinyl figurines of MyMoji expressions. I bought 2 cases. I'm only going to open one right now. I bought one for Christmas present for my niece, and then one for me. So, 99% sure she's too busy to watch my YouTube channel, so I'm not really worried about spoiling her Christmas surprise. But then maybe I'll wait and post it till after Christmas to be on the safe side. Anyway, these are Star Wars emojis. I figured it's kind of, you know, fitting since the movie opened last night. I have not seen it. My sister and nieces, of course, saw it yesterday. I have only seen the original 3 from the 70s and 80s. I have no intention of seeing the new Star Wars. Maybe one day when it's on regular TV, but just not interested. I like the classic. I like the 3 original. I'll watch those over and over again. And with the new Star Wars, my nieces tell me everything that happens, so kind of don't feel like I really need to watch it. I don't mind the spoilers from them. I like Star Wars merchandise. I'm just not really interested in the movies. So anyway, as you can see, these are all classic Star Wars characters. So, alright, so my first one, here we go. I got the, oh my god, what do you call that? The fighter pilot. Very happy fighter pilot. An Ewok, my favorite. I love Ewoks. The Frowny Wampa, very nice. I am assuming I'm not going to get any duplicates. I'm assuming since the box holds 24 and there's 24 different ones, I'm assuming I'm going to get one of each. So usually on these emoji figurines, there'll be like 3 different expressions for each character. Jabba the Hutt, oh my god, so adorable. I love Jabba the Hutt. There are no checklists. Interesting. I'm pretty sure there was a checklist when I got the Disney Princess ones, but that's fine. So here's another fighter pilot, completely different expression. I don't know why they got rid of checklists, but whatever. I got Princess Leia, sad Princess Leia. There we go. Oh, Chewbacca, yay, Chewie. Alright, another Princess Leia. This is happy Princess Leia. So yeah, definitely no duplicates yet. And then my third fighter pilot. Again, this is a different expression. I don't know, what is that? Sleepy fighter pilot? I am terrible with emojis. I don't use emojis when texting. I have no idea what they mean. Okay, here's another Wampa. Okay, wait a minute here. It looks very similar, but they're not. Very happy Princess Leia. I'm sure there are names for these expressions. I should have made my nieces do these unboxing, but I don't know the names. Sad. Very sad. Look at him. He's so sad. Okay. Another Jabba the Hutt. Scared Jabba the Hutt. Is that what that means? Oh, finally a Yoda. A thinking Yoda. Let's see, that's glaring a bit. Let's see if I shut this. Sure, will that help the glare? Alright. Another Yoda. Happy Yoda. Ooh, scary Wampa. Okay. Laughing Chewbacca. I've yet to get a Darth Vader. I think that's the only other character I haven't got yet. Alright. Eyes closed Yoda. Alright, here we go. Finally a Darth Vader. I don't even know how you would tell his expression. He's wearing a mask. I don't know. Smiley Chewbacca. Oh my god, I really don't know what these expressions are. But they're cute. I don't care. They're so cute. I don't care what they mean. They're just so cute. Jabba the Hutt. Frowny Jabba the Hutt. Oh, what's paint? Alright, so I need one more Ewok, 2 more Darth Vaders. I have 3 left. So I was definitely correct in assuming you're not going to get any duplicates. Okay, so wow. They do make his expression look different by his eyes. Not that I know what his eyes mean, but okay. Alright, last 2. So we got Happy Ewok. And so the last one is going to be Darth Vader. And he is, I don't know, another Darth Vader. Who knows what that's supposed to mean? Alright, so they're so cute. I love these little emoji ones. Definitely, I love them all. Except this guy. I don't know. Who cares about a fighter pilot? But whatever. I'm sure he has a name. I mean, it has to be the classic one, because none of these are the new Star Wars, so I don't know. Don't remember the name of the fighter pilot. Okay. This is cute. Look at this. Love that. I mean, I guess technically Luke Skywalker was a fighter pilot, right? So maybe that's supposed to be Luke. So, Jabba the Hutt. Love him. Yoda and Darth Vader. So yes, these are very, very cute. One set is for me, and then one set is for my niece's Christmas present. So I'm going to do a video on what I ended up doing for my nieces and my sister for Christmas. I did not get what they wanted. You know, I don't really want to get like what they wanted on their Christmas list because I know Mom and Santa will buy that for them for Christmas. So I wanted to do something completely different. So I did. And that's what I remember about Christmas. I remember liking surprises the best. Not necessarily, it was always nice to get what you asked for, but it was always nice to get completely random stuff from friends. So they are getting a completely random present for me that they are like, why? But whatever. It will be fun. Anyway, I will do a video on that because I love that present idea. They might not like it, but I don't care. I like it. And then, so I will have 2 extra in each box. Anyway, no surprise here when you buy the complete set, but they are adorable.